Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Nyanisha Desai, Director of Pradnya Ayurveda Multi-Speciality Hospital. Today we are going to discuss about constipation and its causes. First of all, we will discuss what is constipation. Inability to pass stools with ease or having hard stools, or if you have to exert much more pressure while passing your stools, or if you need much more time period to evacuate your bowels and still you are not satisfying with that, is called as constipation. In this modern life, you see many people who are suffering from constipation, and to resolve that, they intake much more fibers in their diet or increase water intake in their daily life, or on regular basis they start laxatives also. But doing all these things, they get no results, and at the end the constipation is unresolved only. So according to Ayurveda, when we treat constipation, we focus on the basic cause of constipation with the treatment. Then and then only we'll be getting 100% results. Otherwise, constipation will be recurring. So what are the causes of constipation? We'll be seeing one by one. The first and important cause of constipation can be Veg Dharan. Now what is Veg Dharan? Veg means natural urge of our body, and Dharan means consciously trying to stop it. This is the habit we can see in many working persons or in housewives also. Our bowel movements is the natural urge of our body, and the habit trying to stop it is called as Dharan, means Veg Dharan. So if you are doing this thing repeatedly in your life, you will be landing up into chronic constipation. The second and important most cause of constipation is pressurizing, exerting pressure during evacuating your bowels. Many of the people do this thing to save their time in their daily lives. But while doing this, exerting pressure while evacuating their bowels, they are worsening their condition of constipation day by day. So you just have to mind not to exert pressure while evacuating your bowels. The third most important thing can be your position while evacuating your bowels. Our traditional ancient position for evacuating your bowels is Utkatasana, means which position we take in Indian toilets. According to the ancient tradition in Utkatasana, the pressure exerted on our thighs and calf muscles is essential for easily evacuation of our bowels and complete evacuation, which is not at all done in the commode position. If someone is bound to use commode in our family, they have to modify the position a little bit. What they can do, they can take 1 feet long stool under their feet so that their thigh angle has been elevated a little bit, so that they can ease the bowel movements with that. You can modify your position little bit with this. But Utkatasana is considered to be the best position for evacuation of your bowels. Another cause of constipation are your bad food habits, such as having irregular meals, then having late night dinners, intake of preserved foods, bakery foods, junk foods, fast foods, intake of alcohol and carbonated drinks, etc. These all foodstuffs just worsen our metabolism and cause constipation. In actual, our traditional Indian diet is really superb in nature. It has natural supplements of fibers in it, such as in chapatis. If we knead the wheat flour without sieving it, we get more and more fibers through that. Then we have pickles, we have many types of chutneys in our Indian thali. Then we have fruit vegetables, leafy vegetables in it. So these all are natural supplements of fibers. So you need to concentrate on your local food rather than depending on supplements, artificial supplements of fiber. Another cause of constipation is your water intake. Thirst is again a natural urge of our body. Just we don't have to avoid that natural urge. When you are thirsty, you have to drink water, but when you are not thirsty, you just need not to unnecessarily fill your body with water. What it will do, it will just bloat your body. It will, the unnecessary water within you will give you a feeling of bloating within you and will disturb whole metabolism and can cause constipation. According to Ayurveda, as food is digested in your body, water is also digested. Another reason for constipation can be your sleep and wake cycle. If you disturb your sleep and wake cycle, the first thing gets disturbed are your bowels in your body. Everybody knows that when you struck with your morning bells, our bowel movements must also be struck in the morning, and we get the feeling, the urge we get to evacuate our bowels in the morning hours only. If you get disturbed, like sleep and wake cycle is disturbed within you, our bowels will also be getting disturbed. So you have to keep good food habits and good quality sleep for your happy bowels. Another thing I want to share for you is that don't make a habit for taking laxatives on regular basis. By doing this, you are just loosening your intestine. Means what? You are making your intestine lax within you. And just laxatives, what they'll be doing, they'll be just making you dependable on them and worsen your constipation issues. So just focus on your basic cause of constipation rather than focusing on laxatives. So I think what all information I have shared with you for constipation was useful for you in your daily life. And I hope you all liked our videos. And our previous video was on Vishuddhi. Its link has been given in the below description box. And subscribe to our channel for our future videos on health. Thank you.